katay ng transmission ng 14G. Yan. Ito sunog. Pati yung forward sunog. Ayan. Yung kulay ng langis natin. Umiitim na yung langis. Ayan. Ito yung number 3 clutch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pag nag-engage yung number 1, ito yung magkasama, yung number 7 at saka number 6. Number 2, number 7, number 5. Number 3, number 7, number 4. Fourth gear, number 7, saka number 3. Tapos pag fifth gear, itong number 8 na clutch, saka number 6. Tapos 6th gear, number 8, saka itong number 5. 7, itong number 8, saka yung number 4. Number 8, 8th gear, ito yung number 8, saka number 3. Yun yung kanyang forward, reverse. Forward yung sunog, reverse yung sunog, at saka yung forward. Yan.